Ian, Cindy Gladue's family has kept her story alive for years, speaking to the media, organizing protests. Today, though, as that verdict was delivered in the courtroom, they could only watch in complete silence.
It's been a very long month, a very long week.
And a very long near decade for Cindy Gladue's loved ones. Twice now, the justice system poring over how she died in this Edmonton hotel in June 2011.
I see lots of bias. I see that there was a violent crime that happened. And in that courtroom, they don't realize that everything that they're talking about is re-traumatizing us. They don't realize that it's affecting us.
The jury originally acquitted Bradley Barton of first-degree murder after Gladue was found dead in a bathtub. Gladue worked in the sex trade. Barton's defense argued the death was a result of rough sex. But from Edmonton to Ottawa, Gladue's family was hardly alone in feeling they did not get justice. The Crown appealed, and Supreme Court eventually ordered a retrial for Barton on a lesser charge of manslaughter.
The Crown can only advance a case when there's a reasonable prospect of conviction.
This legal expert says prosecution had a lot to tread carefully about after mistakes it made in the first trial, exposing Gladue's preserved pelvis, showing close-ups of her wounded vagina as evidence.
I don't think it added any sort of value to what was happening there. I think it could have been done easily through the way of expert reports and just, inviting those experts into the courtroom as opposed to inviting Cindy's body into the courtroom.
So again, a jury heard Barton paid Cindy Gladue for sex. He admitted they slept together for 2 nights, that he injured her by inserting his fist into her vagina, but said it was all consensual. Gladue was found dead in the hotel room's bathtub. The Crown alleged he put her there and let her bleed to death. Today, the jury agreed.